Let me show you how to make the perfect lemon pepper beef steak in my new Chef Maker Combi Fryer. This Chef Maker Combi Fryer will solve all your worries about the meat being undercooked, overcooked, dry, not juicy enough. So let's begin with the recipe first. I've taken a beef steak here. You can use whatever cut of meat you want in this and add all the ingredients that are listed on the screen. The baking soda works as a meat tenderizer. You can leave the meat to marinate overnight in the fridge, but I just left it for an hour and then I started cooking. So back to the fryer, it comes with a user manual, a cooking guide, cook probe, a roasting basket and an air frying rack. So I took the basket out, put the roasting tray in it and placed the meat in it. Now you have to select the chef mode and you have to choose which cut of meat are you using. It will let you know that you need water and probe it. Now this is the fun part. The water will keep your meat very moist and juicy, and the probe will make sure that your meat is properly cooked. The probe is attached to the basket. Now you just put the probe in and put it back in the fryer. Once you do that, the fryer will check with you that have you put the probe in and the water is in there. So it will tell you exactly how long it will take for your meat to be cooked. It changes the cooking technique along with the time, so it's pre-sear, browning, and then it's finished. And then you take it out and your perfectly cooked steak is ready. I melted some butter on it to finish it off. This was so good that I literally ate half of the steak after finishing the video right there, right then. Link to buy the combi fryer will be in my link tree, and I hope you enjoyed the video.